Hello, my name is Natasha Adjevi. I'm a speaker, a video producer, and also a video podcaster. Today I'm really excited because I've got the opportunity to speak about someone who is very dear to my heart. It just found fabulous. I've known Ali Mackenzie for more than a year right now, and it's just been an amazing journey to actually work with her, to mastermind with her, to learn so many things from her. It's really exciting because we just come from a mastermind session together, and I've learned so much. The skills, the knowledge, the passion that Ali has for social media, for businesses, but not just that, to help people, to empower people to do the best that they can in their life is just magnificent, and I'm really, really happy. She shared with me some strategy that I've never heard anywhere, and I really know a lot of things about social media, so Ali is definitely right there. If you want some really professional work, service, consultancy, if you need a speaker that will not just be there to deliver something, but that will be there to actually serve your audience, if you want a person with a heart and a passion to move and shake things around you, you want to speak to Ali Mackenzie. She's really busy right now. She's getting even more and more busy all the time. You really want to catch her right now because the timing is so important. Social media is moving in such an amazing way. Facebook, Twitter, you have all the tools possible in your life to now really bring your business to a different level. But you need someone, you need the right person that will actually help you to develop the right mindset, that will help you to use the correct tools, that will help you to approach the correct people and the right audience to have your business and your brand going the way you want to go. So thank you very much for that. I can truly recommend Ali Mackenzie. My words, my values, everything is very important to me. And if I say that, it's because I really mean it. So I truly recommend Ali Mackenzie for your work in social media and also as a speaker. Thank you.